The calendar is running down on October and the field hockey regular season as Boston University returns home to New Balance Field to face the Lafayette Leopards in their penultimate Patriot League contest. In transition, then a long shot tipped in front of the net. There was a Leopard there looking for the tip in. That was Mackenzie Switzer.
Start the second half that totally flipped the game on its head.
Let's see if it can happen here as Martu Colo on the near side wing works her way off the end line, gets it into the scoring arc. Working all the way around the hands of the clock was Molly Driscoll. She still has it, and then a shot is deflected wide of the far side post. Scoring opportunity off the corner. Lafayette gears up and steps into the net. Triggering it will be Bella Bergner, the junior from Louisville. Kneels down on the end line, steps forward, slings it in, bumps, shot, trickled high, it bounced, deflected on the way from the stick of Nicole Loro of the BU net. Gibbs surveys the options. She's going to roll it in basically right off her left foot. It's set up at the point, shot through, big pad save, and then the rebound scores! A big left pad save from Ortle, but that rebound was too juicy. And Lafayette has taken the first lead of the game. It's in their third penalty corner of the afternoon. Again, the trigger is Katie Gibb. Rolls it in. It's set up. Shot on the way. Trickles wide. Ortle extended the left pad. Not sure. Cage open. They do not get a shot away, though. And the clock runs out. And the score favors Lafayette 1-0.